What's the meaning of civics? Civics. Civics.
Civics. Civics. Civics is the study of the rights, duties, and responsibilities of citizens in a society. It encompasses a wide range of topics related to government, politics, and public affairs, such as voting, law, social justice, and community involvement. The goal of civics education is to develop informed and engaged citizens who are able to participate in the democratic process and make informed decisions about issues that affect them and their communities. By understanding civics, individuals can become better equipped to advocate for their own interests and contribute to the common good.